Rick has
Hello
something
again,
else.
YouTube.
How are you getting on? And Craig and Aaron here back again at Triple Eight.
Another episode.
Yeah.
What's happening tonight, Fredo?
So pretty much David and Rick were down here last night. I left the camera in their hands because I was actually going to look at another car for myself. Some of their footage was a bit questionable, but they're trying their hardest.
That's it, Rick, it's like he's on the road to fame, like, you know, isn't he?
Rick is on the road to fame, but to the amount of messages we get, everyone loves Rick. So yeah, a lot of progress on the S15. The S15 is looking like a car now.
Yeah, it looks class.
Yeah, and then Rick was doing a bit of Porsche last night.
Lovely.
Obviously, it's kind of just a waiting game now for the kid to come in.
Yeah,
A lot of progress happened on the S15 this weekend. The turbo manifold for the K24 is being made.
That's right, the lads, K24 is coming down, yeah?
The lads from K24
K24
are coming down. So yes.
What's happening with the Porsche?
Wait, power down. Wait. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video.
What's going on, Richard?
Shit's going down.
And explain to us what's gone down.
Just stripping down the boot lid, removing all the electronic spoiler, and we're ready for the body kit. That's really it.
Yeah. You're doing a great job there, Rick.
Oh yeah, I am, to be fair. Hello.
Is Rick here?
No, I'm Richard.
Oh, is Richard here?
Yeah, Richard's here.
What's Richard doing?
Richard's doing this beep beep. Trying to get these drip rail rubbers onto the Porsche. It's very hard.
Oh.
I'm modifying it here.
Oh.
Don't tell Bingo.
Hold on there, we focus in on that you're cutting Bingo's Porsche parts. I don't know.
Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell me what.
No, don't tell anyone that I had to modify this.
Should we cut inside again?
No, we didn't cut it.
Oh, you didn't cut you didn't just cut that rubber there that's in your hand, right? No?
What rubber?
That one there.
No.
What's that off, Rick?
Jeez, I've no idea.
Hold on there a second.
Jeez, look, it fits great. Oh, that's good.
Fitment is on point.
Yeah.
Right, come on, put that down. Bingo said you'd give me a lift of the door.
I'm busy.
He said you can take a breather. Rick has been here for hours and he hasn't done a fucking thing.
So, he's set up there. Left Bingo a little note. That's called the dippy pile. To get them dipped. Dippy pile.
Do you reckon he'll know what that means?
No idea. But it's nice.
And here's
I need to write another message there.
Jesus, it's like fucking. It's like Bingo has a pen pal here.
Dippy pile. Shit, I spelled pile wrong. Don't tell that YouTube.
Rick's a little bit sensitive to writing. What's the maybe dipping pile?
Now, Gary, this is the maybe dippy pile.
Right. So this is stuff that may be getting dipped, is it?
This is
This
guy.
Oh.
This guy. This guy.
Personally, right?
This guy. And you know, like, oh, you're at it. No, maybe not that guy. You don't see that guy.
Do you know what? I think you should move all that stuff there into the dippy pile.
Oh, I don't know. Look, it's not my decision.
But you know.
Oh, we're missing parts. Scuttle panel.
Is that in the dippy pile or the maybe dippy pile?
This is.
Oh, the bolt or bolt covers.
I'm just gonna go to my scuttle panel bag. No, down here. You strip card properly.
YouTube there. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Now, so if this happens to go to the dippy pile,
Right.
we have all the associated parts, and it won't be an afterwards. Oh bollocks! We've got to do that little part.
I think you should just move it into the dippy pile. Because like at the end of the day, it looks shit like that
It doesn't look great,
compared to
you know.
the dippy stuff.
Do you reckon we?
Oh yeah. Man panda.
Smiley face.
Drama sad face is only getting the baby pile. And then right letter then, move me. Move me to the dippy pile.
Why you put me on the spot?
Please.
Couple of kisses.
No, in fairness. That's fairly
I
cute.
think I wanted to. What do you think the radio's around? I think that needs it. Match in.
What about the centre console? Is there anything else to go around the radio?
I have no idea.
I think it does.
Do this?
Yeah. Does it come out easy?
No idea. Oh, we could do another note. Please remove me for Dippy. For fuck's sake.
You know, you're nearly going to have to leave like a little trail, like a little breadcrumb trail all the way across into the car.
His take.
There's one of our main sponsors there now as well. Red Bull. Couldn't build the cars without them. They're not giving us anything for free, we just drink their stuff and actually get charged for it. Other than that though, we're sponsors, aren't they, Rick?
Yeah, and Red Bull. Now.
Jeez, we're 4 minutes 42 into this already. That's good footage.
Video. Good video.
I reckon you can probably put all that in.
Now. Oh. As you can see, YouTube, that says, please take me out and put me in Dippy Pie, because I didn't put it in.
So maybe, Rick, to be very professional, write in the comments, should he get a dip? Also, subscribe and press the bell. Right, go on, say goodnight, YouTube again.
Good night, YouTube.
Tell me you love them. Go on. Blow them a little kiss
I
as
don't know
well.
if I can tell them I love them.
Blow
There's
them
a lot of people out there.
Blow them a little kiss.
I can't.
Go on, just a little one.
Right.
Go on. We'll do a little montage of it. Go on.
No kisses.
Go on, just blow them a little one.
I don't kiss.
Come on, Rick, take it.
I
Take
don't.
Sorry, we cut you off a bit early there. Rick has
Hello
something
again,
else.
YouTube. Just wanted to show you my lovely new spare wheel that I got. Discoverer STT Pro.
Oh.
She got the mud grips on her
Oh.
for going
Going
in the mud.
Jesus, you can really tell she'd be good in the muck.
She has the glass rim and the matte centre and these nice little fake bolts because it's actually a steel wheel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like rivets nearly. Isn't it?
Unlike my 3-piece Jap split rims.
Hold on there, we'll do a montage of them. There we go. That's all.
Right. Goodbye.
Blow them another kiss. These discs, lad.
Yeah, thanks. I was sponsored then.
You're a sponsor now, eh?
Yeah, when I bought the car, they came free with it.
It's handy.
Yeah.
They're the new wobble discs.
That's for the added camber that you have the spacers cutting.
Yeah, so you can put it like that, or else you can fit it flush.
It's kind of.
Kind of whatever you're into, really, you know.
So, whatever.
definitely not going to be able to turn me wheel.
Do you think?
We'll have to do a bit of modification there, I'd say.
Oh jeez, if I could leave it that low, it'd be fucking unreal. So it's getting fairly late of a Tuesday evening. Now David has this side of the car all done, well, all together. But I guarantee you, knowing David,
I
What
done
was
the
the
same
other-
call, man.
you know, I was expecting, you have the wing on it, so it's more than I was expecting.
No, I'm not doing too bad. I was only going to polish one side as well, and just not even bother polishing the other side.
No, it looks good. Looks savage. And the boys from Celtic Customs are coming down to do your turbo manifold this weekend, aren't they?
Manifold and exhaust.
Yeah.
And I nearly put money on then it's going to be the most outrageous looking exhaust in Ireland. After the Porsche. No, actually before the Porsche. Fuck the Porsche. This is going to be mental.
So yeah, that's coming in a future episode.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Maybe. No, not tomorrow.
No,
Yesterday's episode. No, she's not done yet. No, yeah.
We're talking about the
Exhaust.
manifold and exhaust.
That's going to be yesterday.
So, are we live?
Live.
Right, we have to show this. Look at this. Right, so that was here actually.
Did you explain that you just tried to take it apart there and
No, that was.
And,
nearly put the screwdriver through.
you did put the screwdriver through?
So, this is what the Panda lad done, yeah? Right?
Yeah.
Give him a shout out, Craig, because his work is unbelievable, right?
Yeah.
So I asked him what's the best we can do. So, look it. That's all carbon dipped, yeah?
Yeah.
Gloss black inside. And then look at this piece. Right?
It's lovely.
Okay. It's lovely, Craig, huh? Now, come here.
If you're looking at any bits carbon dipped, get on to John McGuinness. His Instagram name is sponsor a Panda.
Look at that.
That's something else.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's my favourite bit of the car, Craig. Huh? Well, apart the kit, the wheels, the colour, the suspension. But yeah,
Yeah.
big shout out to the John lad. Yeah.
Morning there.
Morning, Craig. I don't really like Craig the way you sneak up to me with that thing.
I was watching back a bit of footage there last night.
Yeah.
The lads, they
Dippy pile.
set up their dippy pile. Now tell the fans, what was the verdict for the dippy pile? What ended up going in the
I
dippy
didn't
pile?
want to say anything, but yeah, all the dippy. Everything's going dippy. I trust Rick. Rick would be unhappy with me if I didn't get them dippied.
So Rick, leave a like on the video.
What?
I'm just telling Rick to leave a like on the video because got everything
If
dipped.
you're watching, Rick, well, you'll probably be here in a few hours. You know? But I've done it for you, Richard.
Did you do the centre?
No, I'm going to leave it to the centre, okay?
Ah,
Now, see, that's a whole radio unit, right, mate? So I don't want to mess with that, because I might change the radio unit.
you're really gonna upset the chap, you know that?
I know, but it's just, yeah, I think I might change the radio. I might get one of those little digital ones, Craig. Maybe
Right.
get it to put a TV in it.
Tell
Over
you.
those long days on the road to the shows.
It was 65 inch in the telly there, or in the shed there, I think.
Eases into the dash. Anyway, let's go to work.
Okay, bye bye. I'm in work.
Well, I'm in work as well, but I have to go and do some work.
So, yesterday myself and Darren, we went and bought this S14.
She has potential, right?
It's like anything, kinda needs a bit of tidying.
It's tight. Like, in fairness to the old owner, you know, he has the right parts on it, yeah?
Yeah, it's all brand new turbos, all the rest.
Yeah.
It's
It is.
I think the plan for the car is we're gonna fully respray it, aren't we?
Don't know.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a look at it later on. I'm gonna see what needs to be repaired on it. Because if we're going painting bumpers, bonnet, boot, side skirts, and that quarter panel, we may as well paint the whole thing.
Yeah.
But I think it'll stand to the car for a new owner. So.
It's not even anything major, it's just, obviously this is going to be a competition car, and any competition cars we do, we always want them flawless. So that's why it's just like a few parts of the kit and that cracked, and it's nothing major, but we just kind of want to tidy the car up.
And even these cars are becoming so valuable now as well. So
Yeah.
for someone to win it, and it's a brand new fresh paint job, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, it stands. What do you want to do? Do you want to keep it and drive it? or do you want to sell it on? Brand new paint job with an S14.
Yeah, and a lot of potential.
A lot of potential.
Over.
Over and out.
Now, thanks very much for watching yet another video here at AAA. We hope you enjoyed. Obviously, a lot happened in this one. A lot of S15 progress. A very small bit of Porsche progress. But there's a lot more coming this weekend, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, all the rest. Thanks for watching.